When you search for cabinet table saws, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. SawStop 10-inch Professional Cabinet Saw. The SawStop 10-inch Professional Cabinet Saw caught my eye right away with its impressive safety features and solid build quality. Priced at $3,680, it's definitely on the higher end, but if you want unbeatable safety and reliability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 36-inch T-Glide fence assembly ensures that your cuts are square and consistent, which is crucial for any serious woodworking project. Plus, the SawStop patented safety system stops the blade in less than 5 milliseconds upon contact with skin, minimizing a potentially life-altering injury to just a scratch. With a 4.4-star rating across 76 reviews, many users appreciate the unmatched quality and dust collection capabilities. You'll get 99% dust collection if you add the optional dust collection blade guard. Now, some people complained about the price being steep. Here's the thing though. For those who prioritize safety and precision in their work, this investment can save you from serious accidents and costly mistakes. If you're a weekend warrior or a professional woodworker, the SawStop is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you value safety and precision in your woodworking. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't require the advanced safety features. Overall, it delivers incredible value for the money. Now, if the SawStop's price tag bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Powermatic 10-inch Table Saw. The Powermatic 10-inch table saw immediately impressed me with its sleek design and user-friendly features. Priced at $3,519, it falls just below the SawStop, making it a strong contender for serious woodworkers. If you want a powerful saw that makes adjustments easy, this is worth a serious look. The ergonomic 7-inch hand wheels make blade height and bevel adjustments a breeze, which is something every woodworker will appreciate during long projects. The exclusive AccuFence system ensures rigidity and precision, crucial for clean, accurate cuts. With a 4.5-star rating from 44 reviews, users rave about its precision ground cast ironwork surface and reduced vibration from the Poly-V belt drive system. This matters because less vibration means better performance and smoother cuts, which you'll definitely notice. Now, some people have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get it dialed in, it's incredibly reliable and efficient. If you're patient with setup, you'll enjoy its performance over time. This is perfect for you if you seek precision and ease of use in your woodworking. Skip this one if you need something plug and play with no setup required. It's a solid investment for serious woodworkers who want consistent results. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a larger rip capacity. Product number 3, Jet 10-inch Deluxe Zacta Table Saw. The Jet 10-inch Deluxe Zacta Table Saw stood out to me with its impressive rip capacity and solid build. At $4,124, it's the most expensive on this list, but if you need a robust machine that can handle large projects, this is worth a serious look. The exclusive 50-inch Zacta Fence 2 offers reliability, while the Poly-V drive belt system ensures quiet and efficient operation. With left and right cast iron extension wings, you get one of the largest table surfaces in its class, which is perfect for handling big pieces of wood. It's rated 4.4 stars with 43 reviews, showing that users value its stability and smooth blade positioning. Now, some users complained about the weight of the machine, making it difficult to move around. Here's the thing though, that weight contributes to its stability during operation. So if you have a dedicated workspace, the weight is a plus, not a minus. This is perfect for you if you often work with larger materials and need a stable, powerful saw. Skip this one if you're looking for something mobile or compact. It offers great value for professionals. Now, if the weight of the Jet bothered you, the next product on my list might be just what you need for portability while still packing a punch. Product number 4, Grizzly Industrial G0651. The Grizzly Industrial G0651- 10-inch quickly caught my attention with its heavy-duty build and affordable price of $3,399. For those who want a solid performer without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It features a 3 HP motor and a left tilting blade, which is great for various cutting angles. The table height is 34 7/8 inches, making it comfortable to work at without straining your back. With a 4.0 star rating from 15 reviews, users appreciate its reliability and power, especially for heavy-duty tasks. This matters because a strong motor means you can tackle tough materials without worrying about bogging down. Now, some buyers reported that assembly can be a bit challenging. Here's the thing. While the instructions might not be the clearest, the payoff and performance is worth the effort, especially if you're willing to put in the time. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful saw that's budget-friendly. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY assembly. It's a great value for a heavy-duty cabinet saw. And finally, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with some solid features, let's check out the last saw on our list. Product number 5. Grizzly Industrial G1023 RLX. The Grizzly Industrial G1023 RLX caught my eye with its price of $3,195 and impressive features. If you're looking for a reliable cabinet saw that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth a serious look. This model features a solid cast iron table and a powerful 3 HP motor, allowing for smooth and efficient cuts. The T-slots on the table ensure that your miter gauge stays secure, which is something that can be frustrating on other models. With a 3.8 star rating from 16 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its solid construction and performance. This matters because a stable table means better cut accuracy and less risk of kickback. Now, some users mentioned that the fence could be improved for better precision. Here's the thing though. If you're willing to invest a little extra time in fine-tuning your setup, this saw can deliver impressive results. This is perfect for you if you want a strong saw at a more accessible price point. Skip this one if absolute precision in the fence is a top priority for you. It's a great value overall. To wrap things up, we've covered some fantastic options. The SawStop for safety, Powermatic for precision, Jet for space, Grizzly G0651 for power, and Grizzly G1023 RLX for affordability. In conclusion, if you need the ultimate safety, the SawStop is your best bet. For precision, go with the Powermatic. If space is your concern, check out the Jet Saw. For power at a reasonable price, the Grizzly G0651 is great, and if you're on a budget, the Grizzly G1023 RLX is a solid choice. Each of these saws has something unique to offer, so consider what matters most to you.